Hello everyone, this is Utkar Sharma from StoreZigo.com, and today I am going to show you how to make a free account on StoreZigo. First, in address bar type StoreZigo.com. It will take just a couple of seconds to load the website. Now you are on the home page. Scroll down a bit and then you will find an option to get started. Click on the button Get Started and a pop-up form will appear on the screen. Provide your information like name, phone number and your email ID and submit the form. Shortly you will receive an email with all the information. The email will have your new URL, username and password. And there is your new StoreZigo portal. Feel free to contact us anytime. You can drop us an email at info@storezigo.com. Thank you.